Best practice: aluminum welding with SKS welding systems. High complex welding tasks on a battery tray. Repeatable quality welds, clean surface, low spatter rate, thanks to our high-performance equipment and technical expertise. Joining multiple different base materials, for example with the new DP fast function or the micromic process for high-quality welds. Our welding labs for your trials and welding analysis. Experienced welding experts accompany your project. Front pull 8i weld package for aluminum welding, air-cooled or water-cooled. Perfectly adapted to your welding requirements. Best reach of position with the endless rotatable torch concept. Micromic process with ALSI 5 wire on 6000 series base material. Record and visualize your weld data instantly as a standard feature of the SKS Weld Process Controller. Mechanical droplet detachment with pulses. Visualization of welding process with high-speed camera in lab mode. Manipulate your weld data and create your own characteristics. Use our license-free software QA tool. Stay independent. Get your detailed test report and cross-section analysis. Numerous applications. Always the right torch system to complete your SKS standard components. Efficiency in cost and performance.